Give me just 9 minutes of your time and I'm going to tell you my exact roadmap to how I started earning the big bucks as a stay-at-home blogger. I'm not talking about a few extra dollars here and there, but how I turned writing from my kitchen table into a real and dependable income. And yes, I started as a stay-at-home mum who had no clue what a blog was. When I first started blogging, I had no clue what I was doing. I thought if I just wrote a heartfelt post or a unique sourdough recipe and hit publish, that people would just magically find me. Newsflash, they didn't. So I'm going to tell you the way to blog that actually works so you don't waste any time becoming successful, making the same mistakes I did. Here's what you need to do to make real money blogging. Number 1, you need to find a niche that actually has a high search volume and where you can solve the problem. Now, food or recipes, this is a very highly profitable niche for blogging, but my biggest mistake was just posting random sourdough recipes that I thought were unique and that people would be intrigued by, but I did not know what people were actually searching for. None of these recipes have done well because people just aren't searching for pineapple sourdough discard cake. Okay, so the second major thing that brought success was consistency. You heard it, consistency. Without consistency, you are never going to figure out what works. I have posted daily on my blog for the last 3 years, taking gaps only over Christmas and after the birth of my third son. The point of consistency is to throw different kinds of content at the algorithms, assess what works, and when you do figure out what works, to do that over and over and over again. They say that the first $1,000 is the hardest to make and that from there it just gets easier and easier. The first $1,000 did not come through affiliates, sponsorships, or digital products. It came from ad revenue because I had figured out what content was a traffic driver. The thing that a lot of aspiring bloggers don't realize is that it's not a pretty pin or a catchy title that drives traffic to your blog. You can have the prettiest pin or the catchiest title, but if your content doesn't solve a query that a ton of people are searching for, then you just won't get that traffic. I have a keyword research tool that I use for Pinterest, which tells me exactly how many people are searching for a specific keyword per month. And can I tell you, it is a game changer for creating content that drives traffic. And I will link this keyword research tool in the description box below. Okay, so fast forward to today. My site is now getting 100,000 plus views every month, with revenue growing every day. Yesterday, the blog matched my husband's daily income. But that took time. It took 2 years to figure out the right way to blog, and I'm still learning and trying new things. But do you want to know the best part of blogging success? It's this. Once you get that piece of content that tips the needle, success is exponential from there. Your traffic will double, even triple month on month, and the opportunities for other income streams will flow from there. So if you're waiting for a sign, this is it. Go and start that blog, or at least don't give up on the one you already have. Success is just around the corner. You just need to create the right content for the right people, stay consistent, and treat it like the business it will become. If you have any questions, leave a comment and I will be happy to answer them. All right, friend, your 9 minutes are up. Now go and make them count.